The North Gauteng High Court rules on Senzo Meyiwa's case. One of the men accused of killing the Bafana Bafana captain in 2014 will be removed from solitary confinement. Accused number 3, Mthobisi Ncube, with his co-accused Sfiso Kutlentuli, approached the court with an application to be moved from solitary confinement. The duo is being detained at the Kgosi Mampuru Correctional Service in the C-Max section during their trial. They have been in solitary confinement for 4 years since the trial began, and in their application they said this had affected their mental health. In his application, we were told the court that since being held in solitary, he suffered a mental breakdown on October the 7th of 2024. He said the strain of prolonged solitary confinement had left him unable to concentrate, severely stressed, feeling hopeless, and suffering from insomnia. He said that due to his mental health issues, he has been unable to provide his consults with instructions on the matter. He said, well, there you have it, guys. Please do engage with me in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll see you in the next video.